Menta kesngi ke khat santrik unai lor arjar posan kabadai ru kesngi kabalek burom khatduh yu Dr. Didi Lapang kabalalong hamadan student jayau Shillong wat hapdeng ke jingjo jong uslam rasaki ke jing wantut jong kipat ba na keleng gijaka kabalapan pau ke jing sngolam ha ke jing klat no jong Dr. Didi Lapang. Hagani kesngi lalek burom da ke jingbu iki sentio kum kadak ke jing benuat ke jing klat no jong Dr. Didi Lapang nagani ke slap perthei haka babarok ki MLA ki MDC bat ki wei ki riu shakri pan ba kilawan ban bu sentio bat kila penlong ru ke jing ngap jar ka basipor hagani ke sngi le buram khatduh yu Dr. Didi Lapang la yo ru ke jing ruai ka bakar pang na ka Alpha Higher Secondary School Nongston hadian jongata la yo ru ke jingkran ka baningkong na uba Charles Marngar ubadai ru MLA jong Mahati constituency haka balakren ye ka jing benuat ye ka jing du no yu Dr. Didi Lapang ulapan pauru ye ke jing benuat ye ke jing duno yu Dr. Didi Lapang bat ulakan mauru ye ki kam ki ba ulale hapo ka Ribhoi district hi barok kowe ki ba kenthop ye ka jing yo ye ka Ribhoi college bat ki we ki matti ki ba khalmla shu banyo hadian jongata la yo ru ka jingran no mentri rang ba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma uba Preston Tinsong u Dr. Mukul M sangma ubadai ru mentri rang ba barem ka jela hausnam arja shipho hadu khat pra Hashua ban rakno ia kamet ke badang sa jong Dr. Didi Lapang la yo ru ia ke jingkran ai kublei na ukun shenrang ujong u uba badap lang bla.
Taking our loved ones, leaving our home so lonely and drear. Then do we want?
With all my grateful heart, and though in deep sorrow, yet we celebrate the life of an extraordinary leader and a beloved father figure, Mahe Dr. Didi Lapang. Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Deputy Chief Ministers, Honorable MP Lok Sabha, Leader of Opposition, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, ex-MLAs, MDCs, ex-MDCs, our Chief Secretary, and all government officers, respected leaders, the Jayau Presbyterian Church, friends, my beloved people of Rupang and Meghalaya, greetings to you all. Ijinkulay bakatpang yigiyeng kasam yinya ba i kulim joni Mahe Lapang ametis lenda Jones ba balok ukun ramba ukun ksiu diva banda dari ikun joni balok bat kisawut ikun niya bat ipusa kurem ngayon nagali ko por ban ay jingran kinga ikijim ke bokordo ke jong Mahe Didi Lapang ke jing shepri ke jong ye ke thamri boy bat ye ke jalahi farakwa pinre ngam dak tak tham ye kimat kijura hagabe de bat ke jalah nama bidon kinong yalam jobeske ban kran shakma jogi Mahe Lapang ini nak senang nong jogi senang hanok penharang senang kabar hati kami berbuat ukun kansil ubawan nak iem bedok kenban ublay ulseyu ukun dak syurah ublay ulseyu Moses nakakum Yo Joseph nakakleo Yo David unong akwabra ublay ulseyu Mahe Lapang balong unong yalang ibakra Katemri boy Sakapor bay Mahe kasdang banikmat man syakri kadalong kong kasyaraba kejindok kejimbe bat kijimpang bagunja kisno kanjan They how ne orang waktu. Ada jingi terang bagi wai kiri orang wak. Bagi sedang bangrat Rupang. Ike jingdok, ke jingnet dia, ke jingpang. Bakhantang dan kentiro, ia kepulih ketutin, kata kena di bawah. Hakabai mahe ilasan, bontelik school di bawah. Mahe lalong nonsen, ia keri bawah college. Hanopo. Lalong nonsen, ia keri bawah dorma. Lalong nonsen, ia keri bawah district sports association. Lalong nonsen, ia keri bawah youth federation. Lalong nonsen, ia keri Northern College haundan. But you ain't give a born ulalong nonsen. Iba kapor kamsya ang jero kaya. Kawai ke kamba kami mahe di Lapang ilale kamo. Bantunyo ia ke district bakura. Hak sauter iku jeliu kesenam kat kendai spa kendai buah. Kadang-kadang sisa kesenam coba jingkaman. Ia ke tamri rumah barok kaya. Dia hanya kian kau. Ia kila kaya. Hendai kumlau kira. Maknanya kita kira kita go agak timbuhan. Dei ikam jompi mana, bahkan kini hati barok. Kesur jompi bahaya bahkan, habakran cuang lelo. Longkung batut, man kekentut lapi si penroy. Ada hak sisa bakat iahi ukpa katan ribuan. Hanya jinsri joma bagi mahe kat asnem tam kumu personal assistant jogi. Dalam sibun di jenong qualities baiknya. Kum datang kelihat dari kekor dan tuahan simi kekor dan terpau kumni. Kabening kau kecil semua kebidang. Kebaar kejadian syak kebaikan lagat kerenggan di ikat mukana itrei lagat kau isyekau baladat undan babai yuk nasara kebalai kejadian kor ketancuan itu kesakiru anu beri keservis ipoi anu yang keservis on time kejadian ban kuliah kor ilam la library yin jogi tabah kejilong disiplin jogi kejingjong kitab akaryam gabe nyaw bejem step ila depsum ila ponsur kabangiju om 3 pieces ubakhan banduan habay lekpet igi bapang injukulat banduan idei beliau badan kecil semua yang dibalik bahawa hakawai gamit hakawai shigaje ikonya yang chance dalam kam kerki iwe ikon utara pasang dan pun ikon jami hadin ikon dia yang berkiran akhiran ni ikon hakawai shigaje dalam tiap ikonnya yang chance kubli shido kata kemesin kubata kecil semua Umahe ulang babang dan pulih ke Bible ketim ke jalan. Ulang itu kana basta. Katu kene jingkran bagi beliau bikin maulud. Ida TCM dan terkenal yang ni syaitan itu dia. Dia. Kawai itu kana umahe berikan. Kadai syaitan urang gambar. Baladat beliau bagaimana dan kau kim sebabnya. Kebaar kesemuan berkerau berbelakan kabaki bobor kemak bergerak ikan syakam kesuki kebakili lani the empty chair bagi wei kesemuan berkerau kebaki bergerak ila berkenyang beliau habai bergerak hak program harusnya arjat habai Bangalore Hafid Institution sispak sanko kam dikna kasih bergerak yang kecil-kecilan kejadian. Ilang mengwayu betul. Nana, udah kecil perkat makan tak ada bayi. Ulang breu berkat ban burom mana ban permit nam ya lo. Layan hang le tu buai na kita. Dekat kiwai kira mak kibasaki. Ibai mahe la burom ya kini. Hang le ni dama iba merang bos kini. Bukan boleh kena ko konstitusi. Ni maha anjelo baksemuge. Umahe lapang di breu la ban yo. Dekat kini jauh. Kekini mahe lapang yetu hamaya. Balada impo yina kapor keroko. Imyo jalan bala. Nah kadang ujian breu ugobian por. Breu ubasanya kau.
Children and grandchildren of late Dr. Didi Lapang, all family members and friends, members of the cabinet, leader of opposition, our acting Chief Justice, Honorable Member of Parliament, respected MLAs, MDCs, Chief Secretary and officials of the government, officials of the district administration, representatives of the church and various organizations, and the people of Meghalaya. Today, Meghalaya stands in mourning. The air heavy with the loss of a self-made leader whose life was woven into the very fabric of our state. Dr. Donwa Depelson Lapang, our beloved Mahe, was more than a leader. He was a man whose humble beginnings were matched only by the towering legacy he leaves behind. We remember a son of the soil who walked from the dust of the roadside as a laborer, rose to the ranks with grit and grace, and led our people through some of the most challenging chapters of our history. His journey was not his alone. It was the journey of Meghalaya itself. From the early days of statehood to moments of celebration, from seasons of uncertainty to days of hope, Dr. Lapang stood as an anchor, steady, humane, and steadfast. I have known Dr. Lapang since I was a young boy, through my late father, late Shri P.A. Sangha. Many years later, I had the privilege of serving alongside him in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. A powerful orator, he served with distinction as Minister of State, Cabinet Minister, Chief Minister, and Leader of Opposition. His voice echoed in the halls of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
In the passing away of late Dr. Didi Lapang, former Chief Minister, the state of Meghalaya has lost a seasoned politician and administrator. Prior to his political life, he had been actively engaged in public service in various capacities. The challenges he faced
Second time in 1998, Dr. Lapang ji, after his absence from the assembly for one term between 1993 and 1998, assumed upon himself the leadership of our Congress Legislature Party. And from that time onward, he carried his team, all of us, creating space and opportunity for every one of us in the whole political spectrum, for those who are in political circulation, to be part of the great story of building this beautiful state of ours. At the age of 69 in 1998, to fight the election after his defeat in 1993 was in itself testimony of his determination and resolve to continue doing what he likes best. To continue with his, as you would always fondly refer, as his mission and vision of serving people. While at that age many would have decided to call it a day, it was no barrier for this great leader, nor a deterrence, and the state was privileged to have Dr. Lapang, who came back with a bang to continue his charted paths in pursuit of his mission and vision, and thus became integral part of Meghalaya's growth and development story. He was a leader who would never shy away from hand-holding and nurturing his colleagues despite our shortcomings. And with his empathy and understanding, he won the love, trust, and confidence of his comrades and colleagues in politics. Patience, perseverance, consistency, and hard work was his trademark. He would accept failures with grace, but pursue the goal of leveraging upon the lessons learned from failures to achieve the goal that he set before him. He was a man for whom giving up was not part of his